friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you listen my voice, please subscribe my channel. Please don't ignore my words, please subscribe my channel. Now let's see what's the price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. Let's see the price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. What's the price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin? Let's see the last 1 hour result of XRP Ripple coin. What's the price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin? Oh my god, oh my god, what's going on in the cryptocurrencies market here? As I open the cryptocurrencies price prediction, so they are in the falls. XRP Ripple coin in the falls. As you can see, it falls down, falls down, falls down. After a small jump, they take a greater falls. As you can see, what's this, man? What's this? XRP Ripple holders, what's your review about this? Please share in a comment box. What's your review with XRP Ripple coin? Please share in the comment box. If we see the chart, the changes of the XRP Ripple coin, as the change is negative 0.17% occur in the last 1 hour result, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour is about $0.583457 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the market. Now let's see the price prediction of last 2 hours. That is the price prediction of last 1 hour. Let's see the 2 hour result of the XRP Ripple coin in the market. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours. As you can see, as I told you in the start of this video, after a small jump they take a dump. Now currently the jumping of the XRP Ripple coin is continue. So in the future they more dumps, they more fast down in the future, as you can see here. So my suggestion to sell it at this time, they are in positive. Please sell it if you like me, if you want to be safe from loss. So my suggestion to sell it. As you can see here, now they are in positive, soon they are in negative. I told you, soon they are in negative. Positive 0.43% change occur and the XRP Ripple coin in the previous 2 hours, and the high price of the XRP Ripple coin at this time is $0.583457 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin, and the current price of XRP Ripple coin is $0.57691 is the current price of XRP Ripple coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly hit the subscribe button right now and support me and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.